Alright, Michael got him a sockeye on. I'm being a gracious host, Rudy. Okay. What can I say, man? You got the mojo and I don't today. Alright, Mike. Oh shit. This ain't easy recording this stuff. And the coup de grace. Whack. Whack, whack, whack. Beat the shit out of him. Nice one. Cool. Alrighty.
Alright.
Let's see that smile of success. And going for more. Alrighty. This is all recorded.
What's that?
This is recording now.
Hey guys.
For all your buddies in Oregon. And we got a fucking wild one here. Can I say